let's be honest, who hasn't felt that way? You work hard for your money, but sometimes it seems to disappear faster than you can track it. Maybe you're trying to stick to a budget, or maybe you're just curious where your cash is going. There are a ton of budgeting apps out there, all promising to help you take control of your finances. One of the most popular options is PocketGuard. It boasts a sleek interface, easy-to-use features, and claims to help you find hidden fees and save money. But with so many budgeting apps offering subscriptions, you might be wondering, does PocketGuard have a lifetime option? That's a great question, and the answer is yes. PocketGuard does offer a lifetime subscription alongside their standard monthly and yearly plans. But before you jump in and buy it, let's take a closer look to see if it's the right fit for you. What is PocketGuard? First things first, a quick rundown on PocketGuard itself. This app focuses on helping you manage your spending and bills. It connects to your bank accounts and automatically categorizes your transactions. You can set budgets for different categories, track your spending progress, and even find ways to save money by identifying unnecessary subscriptions or hidden bank fees. PocketGuard features. Here are some of the key features that come with PocketGuard's premium plan, PocketGuard Plus. Automatic transaction categorization, no more manually sorting through your transactions. PocketGuard does the grunt work for you, saving you tons of time. Bill tracking, never miss a due date again. PocketGuard keeps you organized and on top of your bills. Budgeting tools, set spending limits for different categories and track your progress towards your financial goals. Find hidden fees. PocketGuard analyzes your spending to identify potential bank fees or unnecessary subscriptions you might not even be aware of. Free bill negotiation. PocketGuard can help you negotiate lower rates on some of your bills. So, is the lifetime subscription worth it? Now, back to the question of the hour, is the lifetime subscription the way to go? Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide. Pros. Save money in the long run. If you plan on using PocketGuard for several years, the lifetime subscription can be significantly cheaper than paying for a monthly or yearly plan over time. Peace of mind, knowing you have access to PocketGuard for life can be a great feeling. No more worrying about renewing subscriptions or unexpected charges. Commitment encourages budgeting. Having a lifetime subscription can feel like a bigger investment, which for some people can be a good motivator to stick with their budgeting goals. Cons. Upfront cost. The lifetime subscription can be a hefty upfront cost compared to the monthly or yearly options. App development uncertainty. What happens if PocketGuard goes out of business or drastically changes their app in the future? With a lifetime subscription, you might lose access entirely. Commitment might not be ideal. Financial situations change. If you're unsure if you'll need PocketGuard for life, a flexible monthly or yearly plan might be more suitable. The verdict? It depends. Ultimately, whether or not the PocketGuard lifetime subscription is a good deal depends on your individual needs and financial situation. Here are some things to consider. How long do you plan on using PocketGuard? If you're unsure, start with a monthly or yearly plan and see how you like the app before committing to a lifetime subscription. Are you comfortable with an upfront cost? If a large upfront payment isn't your style, the monthly or yearly plans might be a better fit. Do you trust PocketGuard's long-term future? While the app is popular now, there is no guarantee it will be around forever. Alternatives to PocketGuard. There are many other budgeting apps available, some with lifetime subscriptions of their own. Consider checking out Mint, InAb, or Personal Capital before settling on PocketGuard. The takeaway: take control of your finances. Regardless of whether you choose PocketGuard or another app, the important thing is to take control of your finances. Budgeting apps can be a powerful tool, but they're not a magic solution. Developing healthy spending habits and being mindful of your money are key. So, do your research, find a budgeting method that works for you, and get started on your journey to financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.